Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope so you all will be fine. So in this video I'm going to discuss almost like 40 or 45 altcoins, including these bitcoins and dominance charts. We're gonna cross almost like 50. So first of all, without wasting any time, let's move on to our Bitcoin update on the higher time frame. For example, like look at this on the weekly time frame. This was a pretty clear range we already had in previous few months, and you guys know we basically long this sweep as well, and I'm still long and having stops around 25.5k. Yeah, that's my break even, and I'm just holding a part of that because my target 1, target 2 is already executed in this small candle towards the upside, because that was basically a intraday trade. We were trying to go into the a bigger swing trade, just starting from the intraday trade. So first of all, let's have a look over here on what's happening on the Bitcoin. It's still bullish. Yeah, it is bullish. Higher high, higher low, higher high. We might even sweep these lows as well after that, but still it is bullish, or it might still can go up towards the upper side. So everything in this matter, words to buy alts, when to buy alts, is very important, because Bitcoin is not going to give you 20, 30, 40x, but yeah, alts can. So we are definitely going to look at altcoins. So this is your Bitcoin update on the low time frame. Yeah, it's simple that Bitcoin is basically bullish. Yeah, it is bullish, and this is probably filling up kind of previous range high, like over here, or it might even do something like go back a bit more lower without taking these lows, goes back above again. So this is a lower time frame, higher time frame update on Bitcoin. Let's move on to altcoins. First of all, before going into the altcoins, look at Bitcoin dominance, and this was our previous chart. It's still working. In my opinion, we're gonna have one more push onto the upper side, something around these levels. Something around these levels, and I'm looking to target 54, 55, and that's the perfect time when to buy alts. When this will, yeah, you guys should not buy the alts when the Bitcoin dominance is going up. The reason is the alts will go same as like Bitcoin. For example, Bitcoin pumps 1%, alts will pump 1%, or sometimes the cartel coins can even pump 5, 10, 20, 30, 50% as well, but those are not the potential pumps, and you guys can't catch that. So look at this. This is our target. Probably we will be buying altcoins over here in the coming weeks, coming days. So let's have an idea where to buy the altcoins. So I have made a complete list of these ones, just because you guys said on Twitter and Discord group as well. So first of all, starting with Solana, what we actually gonna do is we will move on to the higher time frame charts, like look at when to buy. So first of all, let me tell you guys, the actual downtrend move is over. Right, the actual downtrend move is over. We just have 10%, 20%, or 30% down remaining. That also might not come. So what's the best case? What's the worst case? Worst case is waiting for $10 and that never comes, and we go boom. That's the worst case. And what's the perfect case? Buying over here, buying over here, buying over here is the perfect case. I'm just giving you example because you know this is inevitable. So I'm just giving you guys an example. Like look at the indicators that basically give you the long-term data. Look at on balance volume. Look at on balance volume on the daily time frame. Look at this. Look at this. This is your accumulation going on. Look at this. Look at this. Bitcoin trending, Solana trending, going sideways, not trending, but going in a sideways plan. But day by day, people are basically starting to accumulate this. Also, look at this on money flow index. Look at this. Price is coming like this, right? Price is coming like this, and this is slowly going towards the upside, making hidden bullish divergences. So this means that the volume is coming into the markets, and the silent people are just accumulating without telling anyone that we are buying or whatever. So guys, what's the best strategy? You guys should partially start buying. Yeah, you guys should partially start buying. Like look at this, where you guys want to buy Solana for the midterm. I'm actually positioned in Solana over 17.83, almost like $17-18. I don't exactly remember, but that's definitely below $18, and my stops are going to be breaking very soon. What's the best time to buy Solana? Look at this. If you're looking for the midterm perspective from where you guys are going to have a rally to the upside, you guys should buy over here, right? Buy from starting 17 ending up on 16. Yeah, 16 to 17 is your buying range of Solana, and then you guys are gonna sell it over 22 for the midterm. I'm telling you guys for the midterm. And for the long term, buy 50% here, never sell here, and buy 50% on the sweeps of the previous monthly low, like below $13. Buy over here, never sell that shit coin. Just let it make you fortunes. Right, now let's move on to next. RNDR. A pretty good coin with the potentials as well. In my opinion, RNDR is almost around the bottoms. Most of the altcoins are looking like they're going to bottom very soon. And I don't know why people are still waiting for minus 50%, minus 30%. Yeah, I know the Bitcoin dominance is going to rise in the coming days, in the coming weeks, but that's not the actual reason you guys should wait. This was a great buying opportunity. Now, look at this. What to do? If RNDR goes back above $1.75, $1.76, then every single retest is for buying. But this is your main plan after this. Otherwise, we can still have opportunities like around 1.10 is a good buying zone. Look at this. Simple. Around 1.10 is a good buying zone. Let's move on to next. Dodge. There will be a very quick pump in this coin in the coming weeks, in the coming days, probably when the altcoin season will be starting. This is basically one of the best coin in my opinion that can basically make you fortune just by the luck. Does not involve any technical analysis, no fundamentals. A pure shit coin that can still go back up. The best buying zone for the Dodge is still this one, around 0.03, almost like 50% down from here. I don't know will this happen or not, but in my opinion this is the best buying zone because we got the weekly FEG here and a mega levels of these accumulations. Also, you guys know that first of all we will have a Bitcoin season. Bitcoin will be definitely pumping in every single day, every single week, having constant green candles, probably after halving. So the altcoins will slowly grind up. They will also grind towards the downside. The money will shift into the bitcoins, the altcoins will go down, and suddenly all the altcoins will start pumping. So I think so DOI still have potential to go like minus 50% from here. Yep. So the next one, FET, yeah, a good coin. A lot of people are talking about this coin. Technically this looks very bearish, but in my opinion this is a good fundamental coins. But technically look at this, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high is already swept, done SFP. Don't call me mega bearish on FET, but honestly I'm just telling you guys about the technical analysis, about the technicals and what we have seen in the past weeks, past months, because the reason was simple. Like, look at this, higher high, higher low, higher high, trend was broken, so we basically wait for lower high, and we are currently, we might even go below the new lows. Unfortunately, yes, we guys can on this coin. But what's the reason to, let's look at on the daily time frame. This looks bullish. Sorry, yeah, just let me tell you guys that what's gonna happen on FET. In my opinion, something like this is going to play. Yeah, this one, taking out these equal highs, because we have already done MSB on the daily time frame. So this is a perfect analysis in my opinion. Lower lows into lower lows, previous lower high standing over here, broken. Yeah, we had close as well above that. So in my opinion, if we get one more victor downside or one more daily red candle, I'm gonna definitely buy this. I'm definitely gonna buy this. targeting these levels, 0.3. Right, this is a kind of trade for you guys. Buy here, sell here. So next, this is for the kind of intraday, intra-week trade. Next one, Trias, one of my fucking favorite coin. This will do fortunes. Look at this. Oh my goodness. No change to the analysis. We already have position at $1. $1. It's right now at $3.59. I still have position from $1. And if it comes back, yeah, we took out some profits at $4. We took out some profits at $3 as well, I remember. And if it comes back to 1.85, I'm definitely gonna send everything of my profits back into this Trias coin. $5 is a matter of time for Trias, and in my opinion, all-time high is pretty simple for this coin. This got huge potentials. EGLD, I'm not gonna basically buy this for the long term, mid term. The reason is simple. Look at this chart. I look at on the weekly time frame. The reason is already here. What you guys can see, we are still below the starting price. So I guess the first day week, not interested in this coin, to be honest. GRT, same answer, not interested in this coin, because you guys can see that all the coins having PA like this, like no support. For example, let's compare both of these. Look at Solana starting price here, slowly grinding up, still around almost like the biggest support. You guys can see that, and in my opinion, a big buying zone, to be honest. Oh my goodness. Look at this. So if this goes again back to upper side, might do boom shakalaka boom. Yeah. So after GRT, honestly I'm not interested. Dodge, we have already checked that. Woo coin, one of my favorite coins, and this is going to make fortunes. Let's start buying. Yeah, this is at our weekly point of interest area, weekly pivot area. Yeah, you guys can see this at weekly FPG, and every take to 0.14 around those levels is for buying, and buying for the long term. GLMR, I guess it's a low cap, so probably not interested at all. I'm really sorry, but yeah. Near, same response. I've been checking these charts like days, like months, and still I'm seeing that these coins have pretty low area, like a very indecisive area where you guys can't basically expect any upside movement anytime soon. Perp, is this basically new coin, I guess? Yeah, not interested in this coin at all. Look at this. All the coins, those are so much lower than their starting prices or their previous higher time frame supports. In my opinion, these are just pumping just to liquidate the shorts. There's nothing else, nothing potential in these coins. Yeah, this coin can basically do wonders. Currently looking like this, but yeah, a pretty solid coin in my opinion. This is going straight to taking liquidity over here after one more push, then taking liquidity over here, A, B, C, and we're gonna have 1 2 3 4 5 waves, then A, B, C, and then DXY, like expandable to the upside, long waves. So in my opinion, this is a good potential coin for the long term. Very good potential coin for the long term. Rose, honestly, this is one of the best fundamental coins related to meta, but I'm personally stuck in this coin, and my buying is something around 0.08. I'm basically stuck over here, but I'm not selling. I'm not fucking selling this shit. Like look at this. reclaim this and you guys can buy. Actually do something like this, like break the MSP, and the best coin to buy will be Rose. Whenever these triangles are going to break, these coins are gonna do massive. 0.2 should be target for the midterm, or sorry, long term back, or not the long terms, like 2 or 3 quarters. You should target this single line at 0.2. INJ, yeah, I have seen the fundamentals in the past few weeks. The only reason is this is kind of higher cap, but in my opinion, this coin can do very good on the long term. Yeah, look at this, MSB already done, and this was just, oh my goodness, perfect area to long was this one, like long over here. Still, if it does something like this, break this previous lower high, does the MSB over here, the retest will be a buying opportunity. So we will definitely have opportunity every single day. OP. Yeah, OP was basically, in my opinion, this can go so much lower. So better do not touch this coin. This does not have actual potential of the upside, but this was just a launchpad pump, if you guys witnessed before. Link, both of these coins are similar and having same potentials. I'm not basically interested in Dot yet. The reason is simple, this is back where it was in 2020, so probably not interested yet in this coin unless it makes something very brilliant. But yeah, Link, I'm very interested in this coin. This is not my setup. My setup is 5.8, almost like I'm currently holding this coin and something around here, or maybe we basically bought a Link midterm bag and still expecting to almost like hit $7 to $8 in the coming weeks. This is simple pattern like accumulation, manipulation, and we guys want to see some good expansion to the upside. Link Ocean. I guess this video is going to be so much longer. One more push to downside and then boom. This is what I see on Ocean. This is just not stringy lines, but you guys can even look at through RSI as well. We are definitely making bullish divergences. I'm telling you before looking at the indicator, because the pattern says so. Look at this. Your money flow index over here, and over here is something like over here. So this is a complete accumulation area over here. Also, I just removed RSI to make you guys look at OBV first, and then we're gonna move on to our RSI. I'm damn sure there will be a bullish divergence under making. This is your hidden bullish divergence. As of yet, this is your hidden bullish divergence. Like if this stays above this one and it does makes one more new lows like I explained on the weekly chart, so that will be a complete bullish regular divergence, and that will basically lead to a pump. So FTM, oh my goodness, what pattern is this? Oh right, this was basically your kind of trade, and in my opinion it's still valid, just having stops below the closure below this one, and this is still valid. I'm just gonna remove this for explanation. Lower low, lower high, lower low, new lower low made over here, it's broken, so retesting the previous order blocks. So this is for buying. FTM is a good buy over here, to be honest, as per the technical analysis. Sorry. Decent land, not interested honestly in this coin. These coins have already done so much, like sand, mana. I'm not interested in these coins for the next 3 to 5 months. This is a low cap. You guys should not look at the TA on Kuchai, but just go for something like good fundamental resources to look at what's actually building. Yeah, you guys can play a bounce on this one. Yeah, you guys can play a bounce on this one, looking for 0.9, not 0.9, but almost like 0.7, 0.75, something like this, and then return back, slowly come back, go back up. And if this holds below 0.5, for example, right now, if this goes back above 0.64, buy it and sell it over here. If this stays below, then your target is looking for this. So this is a low cap, and I'm not honestly interested in this one. QNT. My previous range is on this one. Lost 100. Not gonna buy yet. Not gonna buy yet. Mover. This is also a low cap, I guess. Oh shit. This is a shit coin. Never go near to this one. ADA. ADA is a shit coin. I'm telling you guys, ADA. I was saying at $3 that this is a shit coin. This is a shit coin. So I'm definitely bearish on this one, and I want this one to go back out of top 100 market cap. Go out of top 100 market cap. This is not a good coin, in my opinion, just because the fundamentals are not great. Only thing that basically attracts you is the hard forks events. They basically update every single month. So yeah, Theta as well, I'm not interested in this one. All the previous tokens, for example, those who performed extremely well in the past bull run, just ignore these, because people are still buying that same coins, and they are definitely going to miss the biggest gains on the new coins. So try to understand this psychology. Cuz, Hilo, Etor, all of these three coins are just kind of low caps. Just have look on their fundamentals, and whenever the team is pushing something very brilliant, you guys think, then buy those. Matic is basically a good coin, but I don't know why a lot of people will go on shorting. Like, look at this. This was our plan before. This was our plan when the price was almost around here. Like, go back about to fill up this FVG and order block and start coming back down, and it's doing same. In my opinion, can go to something like a bounce over here and then go over here. So this is the plan play on the Matic. Cake have done wonders in the past few not the months, but past few years, 21 and 22, just because of the staking, because this was one of the greatest coin ever when the staking was basically launched. But unfortunately, there are further more better projects than Cake. So in my opinion, just get rid of this. No. EDU. I guess this is kind of launchpad coins. Yeah. So let it make something like. So I'm just gonna give you a range. How you guys can find out the range? $0.786 was the perfect buying zone, and still, in my opinion, this coin can basically do something like this. So stay alert on the launchpad coins. LTC, why we should basically trade LTC when this looks like something like this? I guess not to trade this LTC because the maximum it can give you is 400%, almost like 375%. Yeah, so in my opinion, just don't take this for the long term. OX, again, this is a older launchpad coin, and this is still looking bearish on the weekly time frame because we might even sweep these highs. Yeah, we have already swept those highs, so don't buy this for the long term, mid term, because the maximum to the upper side it can give you is this line around 0.22, and lower side obviously far way more lower, like 0.14 and 0.11, like order block of this one and your previous range low, so more possibility of coming back down. Lever, CFX, these are basically low caps, so try to avoid these low caps. Only buy these coins if you guys are 90% sure about the fundamentals, about the work of the team. Yeah, this one looks solid. Technically this looks good. A bigger buying zone, but probably a big bounce will come from here. Lever, this looks like above this. Let's look at OBV, the volume, our session. Just give me 1 minute. I have volume and MFI. The biggest volume you guys have is something around here. That's a good volume demand zone, so buying over here is pretty impressive if it comes. So we have MFI, a hidden bullish divergence. OBV looks good. Now this means that any push back towards 0.0010 is basically buying lever, and make sure this is a low cap, so keep an eye on the fundamentals as well. DIO, same thing. I guess the team is just selling their tokens. Lol, look at this. Ignore this one. DIA, same shit. Fill, yeah, probably the next I guess next ADA below all-time lows. Wow. Algo also have done pretty good in the past couple of months. Not the past couple of months, but past couple of years. 21, 22, yeah, just went to almost like $3 and just dying over here below the lows. Definitely not good to buy over here. Let them reclaim these levels, and for the long terms you guys can buy only after reclaim. Otherwise these same coins can go 50% down from here as well. Gala and Propsy. Gala, no, never. Now don't call this as a bully divergence. No, a straight no. This is basically a good coin. Back to the order block. Yeah, Propsy is in the buying zone, and I think so this will chop a lot over here because it's a new coin. It will take time to go back up. It will chop a lot, and suddenly it will go like boom, like it have done over here. So it will definitely go boom. This is a good coin for the long term. So this was the update, almost like more than 40 coins. Yeah, almost like 40 coins were there. So thank you guys for having patience and watching the complete video, and we're gonna meet very soon in any new video, and I will be definitely giving you the best Bitcoin trade.